So if you're looking for information on toxic-free braiding hair, then this is definitely the video for you. All right, so this subject matter is regarding me taking my niece to the hair salon again for the second time around, and she's gotten her hair braided with Dosso Beauty's braiding hair by the founder, Khadijah Dosso. And so I just wanted to, not really sure what I want to do here because I've given a thorough review about the hair, and I gave an updated 30-day review after she's worn the hair for 30 days. My little niece there, that is, if I haven't mentioned. And so this is the second time around on the braiding hair. This is the second time around with Dosso Beauty's braiding hair, and she got a different style this time. And I just want to make note that, first of all, shout out to the braider, Miss Alexis. She does not braid her hair tight. It is actually a child-friendly salon. And so I don't want to go into too much repetitiveness. So if you're looking for more information about this braiding hair, please be sure to check out my playlist. You'll definitely find it. You can't miss it. It's entitled something regarding the braiding hair. So just this third time, well, not third time, it feels like a third time, but this is the second time around, and I took her to get her hair braided again. And she's actually very, very happy with it. I'm not really sure if I'm crazy about the hairstyle. Of course, I requested the hairstyle, but after she got it, I wasn't really sure. But the ends were left loose, and so it started, a few of the braids, maybe 4 or 5, started to unravel. So I put some rubber bands on the end just to prevent them from unraveling.